Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to send order tracking details to PayPal automatically on ShopBase. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in shopbase.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to ShopBase if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the left side of the screen, we have the home, orders, products, we have the fulfillment, analytics, marketing, sales, contact, we have the apps, settings, and the online store. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and send order tracking details to PayPal automatically on ShopBase. So first of all, connect PayPal to your store. So ensure that you have successfully connected PayPal as your payment provider. You can do this by going to settings and then payment providers and then selecting PayPal. So basically go to the settings in the left side of the screen. As I already told you, go to, of course, the providers, payment providers, and here you can go and put in PayPal. Then enable PayPal order info synchronization in your ShopBase admin. Go to settings, then again go to payment providers, then fill the PayPal section and click more settings in the PayPal order info synchronizing option. On the order info synchronizing page, click the option for tracking information. This will allow ShopBase to automatically send tracking details to PayPal. Make sure to save your changes to ensure that the track information is sent automatically for all future orders. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. As guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye, guys.